So today's little challenge or question or project is, can we use second-hand concrete blocks to make something awesome? And what I'm working on is turning a pile of second-hand blocks that I've got into the base and bottom half of a greenhouse. We have an old greenhouse over here, it's falling apart. Next to the greenhouse is the patio, and the children ride their bikes up and down on the patio, and it's always a worry for me that they're going to ride their bike straight into the glass. So I'm going to make the bottom half of the new greenhouse on the edge of the garage, still not finished, and I'm going to come up halfway with concrete blocks, but I have a stack of old concrete blocks that I want to use, so we're going to work on using those to get up to halfway, so that if they sail into the greenhouse they will bounce off, bang their heads with helmets on, and not impale themselves in sheets of glass. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn those into something hopefully pretty awesome. A couple of my used blocks, and you can see it's got all the cement around it that needs to come off. Structurally not a problem, but very hard to get anything straight and level with all that on, so I'm going to smash that all off now, just run it round with the bolster.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I am helping Daddy from hammering. Too heavy.
Together?
Yeah.
Good work. Right. Yeah. If I get a smaller hammer, please. You get to it again? Here we go. Blocks tidied up. We're just about an edge. There's a little bit of the old cement left. As I said, the old cement doesn't really matter as long as it's strong, and you reckon you can get it down level, then that's fine. I'm not going to do a block laying lesson. Tons of people are better than me. I'm not a professional builder. I'm just an enthusiastic upcycler. If you've watched my other videos, you will know that my method and philosophy for building is do it fast and don't worry too much about the accuracy. So that's exactly how I'm going to lay these blocks. We're going to get it final and tight at the end, and we'll go through that then, but now I'm just going to crack on laying these blocks, cleaning up the pile, and get on with it.
My skate park!
All the reclaimed concrete blocks are super dry, cement's gone off really well, so it's starting to cover them. So you can see here we're starting to whack on some render, and as soon as they're rendered, surprise surprise, you cannot tell that they are old scabby reclaimed blocks. So I'm going to work my way around outside, inside, got some timber on the way to start whacking up a new frame, and then we'll start stealing the glass from the old greenhouse to add to our new one.